In this video, let us talk about the process how nitrogen assimilation takes place within the plants. As said earlier, this nitrogen is taken up by the plants in the form of nitrate. So let us see here how this reduction of nitrate to nitrite takes place. It is in the cytosol or the cytoplasm where this nitrate is converted to nitrite. In this process, this NADH is involved, which gets oxidized to NAD+. FAD is involved, CYTB557 is involved, MOCO complex is involved, and here we can see that this nitrate is converted to nitrite and water is released. In this reaction also we can see that NO3 minus and 2 hydrogen ions plus 2 electrons, these get converted to nitrite and water. So let us see what happens to nitrite then. Here you had seen that this process, reduction of nitrate to nitrite, this takes place in the cytosol. Here you can see that this reduction of nitrite to ammonium, this takes place in the chloroplast. So this is the structure of chloroplast where reduction of nitrite to ammonium takes place. Here we can see that this nitrite reductase is the enzyme which is involved for reduction of nitrite to ammonium. This nitrite and 8 hydrogen ions are involved for its reduction to ammonium, and in this process 2 water molecules are formed. So here it is given in this reaction, nitrite plus 6 iron in the reduced form plus 8 hydrogen ions. With the involvement of 6 electrons, these get converted to ammonium plus 6 iron in the form of oxide form and 2 molecules of water. And the most important thing to remember here is that this process takes place in chloroplast and not in the cytoplasm. So here we can see in the cytosol, nitrate to nitrite, this nitrite moves to chloroplast. In the chloroplast, nitrite got converted to ammonium ions, and in the chloroplast itself, this ammonium gets converted to glutamate and glutamine. And for conversion of ammonium ions to glutamate and glutamine synthetase and glutamate synthase are involved. And the final products here are glutamine and alpha ketoglutamate. So I think that is all in this video. Thank you.